Now you already know the understand the CCUS, and you need to know where you can store your CO2. To know that, you need the information about the basin. Yeah. Fortunately, we know the basin distribution quite well. We have data regarding basin. Yeah. Basin is spots, geological zone area in our Earth with anticline, with a good form that fluid can be accumulating there. Ya, can be accumulated there. Ya, basin itu seperti cekungan, right? Basin is cekungan, anticline, so that the fluid can accumulate there. Ya, jadi fluida bisa tersimpan di situ, punya potensi untuk tersimpan di situ. Dan jika dia punya bentuk yang bagus, jika fluida bisa disimpan di situ, if fluid can accumulate there, then CO2 can also be stored there. So it's very good if we know the basin and we have good data of it. We know the oil basins, we have onshore basins or also offshore basins. This is for the worldwide information, all right? And we can also predict, estimate the storage capacity of each basin, of each area, like this one, North Sea. We can estimate the storage capacity is 4 gigaton CO2. This is Maracaibo Basin, Gulf of Mexico, Niger Delta, Campos Basin. We have data of them and we can predict the storage capacity. But the most important thing for us is, of course, the Indonesia, right? First, we need to know the major CO2 sources. And the major sources, for example, Kuala Langsa, Alur Siwa, East Natuna, Cilamaya, Subang, Jatibarang, South Jambi, Arung Nowera, Singa, Lapangan Gundi, JTB, Tangguh, Senoro, Matindok. These are the oil and gas reservoirs which produce CO2. Okay, big portion of CO2 come from that. Yeah, so this will be CO2 storage. Okay, these reservoirs will be the CO2 sources. Sorry, will be the CO2 sources, and we need to have storage area close to them. Ya, jadi jika kita tahu sumber-sumber CO2-nya di titik-titik ini, kita harus pasang CCUS cukup dekat dari situ. Jadi nantinya CO2, we can store the CO2 from these fields into the closest CCUS facility. All right, so that's the idea. And these are the studies area. Current studies are CO2 EOR in Sukowati field conducted by Pertamina EP. Yeah. The target is 15 million ton CO2 in 25 years of injection. And also, I think it's CO2, yeah, CO2 enhanced gas recovery in Gundi field conducted by ITB, ITB, and Japan. The target is 3 million ton CO2 in 10 years of injection. Again, CO2 enhanced gas recovery in Tangguh field conducted by BP, British Petroleum. The target is the biggest, 30 million ton CO2 in 10 years. So the total is 48 million ton CO2. But it's not the end. Many oil companies in Indonesia will also study the CCUS feasibility. All right. So we know from the picture, we have good information, good data, very good data about depleted oil gas reservoir, depleted gas reservoir, and we know also about the aquifer. So we can study, we can do feasibility analysis where we can store our CO2 in. All right. So this will be the key takeaways to close our meeting. Key issues. Where can we store CO2? We need site selection and characterization. How much of it we can store? It is about storage capacity. How can we best get it in there? How can we inject? We need to know the injectivity. How do we know it will stay there? We need to know the containment. How can we tell? How can we know? Yeah, you need measurement, monitoring, verification. How much will it cost? You need to do economic analysis. What is the risk? You need to do risk assessment and management. How do we make it happen? You need driver, you need investor. What other issues to consider? Yeah, you need to consider regulatory, liability, public perception. Key points. CCUS is not a silver bullet solution, but definitely needed to reach net zero. CCUS technologies are well known and can be deployed today, and the oil and gas industry is one of the global leaders in developing and deploying CCUS. Of the approximately 30 million ton CO2 captured today from industrial activities in large CCUS facility, nearly 70% is captured from oil and gas operation. And the carbon pricing should not be viewed as cost, but as potential source of revenue. Yeah, so again, we are the one who can do CCUS, petroleum engineers, reservoir engineers, drilling engineers, right? We have this future, we have the expertise, we have the reservoir, we have the well, we know the CO2 source, and we can inject and store our CO2 in the reservoir. Okay, that's all.